Hello kids, welcome back to another episode of Learning with Little School. Today, we are going to meet some of the most amazing animals in the world. And guess what? We'll also learn how to use superlatives. Superlatives help us talk about the most of something, like the biggest, the fastest, and the strongest. Are you ready? Let's go. Can you guess what the biggest animal in the world is? It's the blue whale. The blue whale is the largest animal ever. It can grow up to 30 meters long. That's as long as 3 buses. Wow! It is also the heaviest animal. A blue whale can weigh as much as 25 elephants. Isn't that amazing? Now, let's meet the fastest land animal in the world. It's the cheetah. A cheetah can run up to 120 kilometers per hour. That's faster than a car in the city. Which animal do you think is the strongest? A lion? An elephant? No. The strongest animal is the leafcutter ant. These tiny ants can carry things 50 times heavier than their own body weight. Imagine if you could lift a car. The smartest animal is the dolphin. Dolphins can solve problems, play games, and even talk to each other using special sounds. Which animal is the tallest? That's easy. The giraffe. Giraffes can grow up to 6 meters tall. That's taller than a house. The laziest animal in the world is the sloth. Sloths sleep almost 20 hours a day. They move so slowly. The loudest animal in the jungle is the howler monkey. It can be heard from 5 kilometers away. That's as far as 50 football fields. The most dangerous animal in the world is the mosquito. Mosquitoes are responsible for spreading diseases like malaria, dengue, and Zika virus. They cause more human deaths than any other animal. So always remember to protect yourself from mosquito bites. Great job, everyone! Keep practicing your superlatives, and I'll see you next time. Learning with Little School. Bye-bye!